In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a party invitation using Google Forms. Whether you're gearing up to host a birthday celebration, a casual get-together, or a major bash, creating an inviting and organized invitation is essential. Google Forms is a great tool for this task, offering a convenient, user-friendly way to craft personalized invites and gather responses. Let's dive into the process and ensure that your invites are ready to wow your guests. We'll start by heading over to Google Forms. You can access it directly through your Google account or by simply searching for Google Forms in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to open a blank form. This gives you a clean slate and allows you to customize everything to fit the theme and feel of your party. First, you'll need to give your form a title. This could be something straightforward like John's Awesome Birthday Bash or End of Summer BBQ Extravaganza. Beneath the title, there's space to add a description. This is where you can include essential details about the event, like the date, time, location, and maybe a fun tidbit to get your guests excited. Feel free to be creative. Now, on to designing the questions. Your first question should likely request the guest's name, which is useful to personalize the invitation and keep track of RSVPs. To add more questions, use the panel on the right-hand side. You can ask whether they'll be attending, include a multiple-choice question about meal preferences, or even allow open-ended responses where guests can express any specific requirements or send you a friendly note. Next, think about the visual design of your invitation. Google Forms allows you to tailor the look and feel by choosing a theme color or background image. Matching these with the theme of your party can make a huge difference in setting the mood and exciting your guests right from the invite. If you're feeling particularly creative, consider uploading your own image to serve as the form's header. After you've finished crafting the content and look of your invite, it's time to set up the response collection. In the settings menu, you can adjust options like collecting email addresses, limiting responses to one per person, or sending automatic email confirmations to your guests. Finally, once everything is exactly how you want it, share the form with your friends and family. Google Forms makes this easy by providing options to send via email, a shareable link, or even embedding it on a web page. This way, you can reach your intended audience in the most convenient way possible. And that's it. You've successfully created a party invitation using Google Forms. All that's left is to wait for those RSVPs to roll in and start planning the finer details of your event. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your party is a smashing success.